everyone, and thanks for tuning into the Financial Investor channel. My name is Brent, and today is Friday, so it's the very last day of the week. I want to buy a stock, and I'm going to be doing some research today. So I'm going to be screening for a new stock that I'm going to be purchasing on Robinhood. I did add some additional funds in there, so let's take a look here. Now we can see that the overall market is pretty well green. It is a bull market today, of course. So Dow is up 0.09, Nasdaq up 0.35, and the S&P 500 is up at 0.24%. So really good day so far today. Looks like some good change there. Anyways, let's go into our screener here, and let's see here. I'm gonna go to my all, and I'm gonna go ahead and screen this out pretty quickly. Not gonna discuss it too much. Market cap, of course, I want it micro over 50 million. I want this to be USA stocks. I want it to have a dividend yield of over 3%. I want to have an average yield per year over 4% or at least 4%. I want my PE. I'm looking for an undervalued company. I'm looking for something that's paying out dividends. It's been increasing its dividends regularly. It has to have at least a 5-year dividend growth. I'm looking for an undervalued company where the yield greatly outweighs the current price. So let's go ahead, and my estimated earnings per share for the next year, for the growth for the next 5 years, I want that to be over 10%. So over 10. Whoops, that's PE. So we're going to go under 20 for PE. My estimated earnings per share is over 10%. I want my payout ratio to be, normally I would go 70. I'm going to go 60. You know, I'm looking to have a good payout ratio. And I want the company to be able to pay out in the future, even during a recession. Forwarding PE, I'm going to go ahead and say under 15. Return on equity, I'm going to go ahead and go over 5%. Debt to equity, I'm going to go under 0.9. My analyst recon, I'm going to go for a buy or better. And already we knocked down our list quite a bit here. See, over 10, over 60% payout. I don't want that. I want under 60%. There we go. That's a much nicer looking list. We have some CSCO, Valero Energy, and let's go ahead and continue here. Let's see. We have our price to earnings growth. I want that to be under 2. And on my return on investment, I want that to be over 10%. We're already down to 4 stocks. That is great. We want our earnings per share for the next year to be positive. What happens if I switch it? Yeah, no, it's fine. So we have we're down to 4 stocks now. I'm going to go ahead and start off by looking at charts. I want something that's it's on an upwards trend. I don't want anything that's downwards. So right off the bat, I can see that AFSI is on a downwards trend. Yeah, I'm not going to go into that. We got Noble Midstream over here, also on a downwards trend, and Valero, it can't make up its mind. It's got 2 different supports, one going down, one going up, so it can kind of teeter-totter whichever way. But we have CSCO right here in the middle with a support bar on its way up. If we click on it, let's go look at it a little bit more in depth here. Looks like it was on a downwards trend. Its support is, it's about a little under $31. But it is on its up. It looks like it's on its way up. See, past sales for the 5 years, sales quarter, negative 0.50%. So I guess we'll have to take a look at how they've met their quarterly revenue. And let's go ahead and begin doing that. So, oh yeah, that's just some more data. Oh yeah, here. There was some news. Actually, I had looked up CSCO in the past, so I'm actually glad this one got screened down. It was, let's see here. So CSCO has actually signed. So CSCO just bought the networking security startup. CSCO is acquiring and observable networks, and CSCO signs to provide connectivity solutions for the Commonwealth Games. So we can see that Cisco signs to provide connectivity solutions for the Commonwealth Games. So in 2018, you're going to be connecting dozens of venues and tens of thousands of devices during the 2018 Commonwealth Games. So in the future, they have stuff already in place that they're going to be able to make a profit from. So nice little article. And Cisco is acquiring Observable Networks. That is a security firm, I believe. Let's go take a look here. What is Observable Networks? You know what? I'm not going to get into that. You know, we're screening right now. So, Cisco, over on the Y charts, I wanted something that is currently undervalued. So, taking a look at their 3-year, we can see they are in an upwards trend between the yield and the let's go ahead and knock out price and yield, and we'll just look at their payout for the last 5 years. So Cisco, let's see what their max is here. They began paying dividends, looks like, in 2012. They had an increase in mid-2012, another increase in 2012, another increase at the end of 2012, so that got them upwards, so a nice little start. And after 2013, they've just continued to increase their dividends pretty nicely, and then a very nice increase in 2016 and 2017, and another increase in 2017. So pretty nice, steady, even big leaps there in dividend payout, dividend growth. And we can see that their dividend yield, let's just look at a year. We can see that their dividend yield right now currently outweighs its price. So this stock is currently undervalued, so its yield is much higher than its price. And we'll go and look at that information here on Yahoo here. So let's go ahead and pull up Yahoo Finance, and we're going to look up Cisco. CSCO, and we can take a look at their next earnings date is August 16, 2017. Their earnings report for the past 4 quarters have all been positive, so this could have been the one where it was slightly under here. Earning for the quarter to quarter is minus 0.5%, but really, where is it here? Cisco. It's not too bad there. Actually, they met their estimated estimate plus exceeded it. So good. Dividend is 3.72, so very high up there, almost 4%. So that is really nice. Let's go look at their statistics. Let's go look at their 5-year average yield is $2.80 per. Really? They pay out $2.80. Let's see here, $2 and no, they don't pay out $2.80. Their 5-year average dividend yield is $2. I don't know what that 2.80. Oh, 2%. So the average dividend yield 2.80. We're currently buying in at 3. What was it? What did I say? I know it was like high threes. 3.72. 3.72. Okay, so right here, 3.72 is their forward annual dividend yield. Their trailing annual dividend yield is 3.42, so really, 0.3% higher. That's almost, it's almost Apple. Apple's like 0.5, Blizzard's like 0.5, something along those lines. So, 5-year average dividend yield 2.80, so greatly over that 5-year dividend yield. So we're looking at a stock that's currently undervalued. So it is on an upwards trend. It has a good support. Let's go take a look at their finances here. Gross profit has been increasing by 2 million, 1 million. Operating income has been increasing by 1 million and another 2 million there. Their net income has been increasing from 1 million and 2 million there. And they don't have any recurring things, so not too much data there. We can go and look up quarterly information here. So quarterly, you can see that early January they may have had a little dip, but they've recovered since then quite a bit. And I think it will continue to recover there. So good good financial spreadsheet. No, good income statement. Nothing bad there. Looking at their dividend information now, I saw that they had an upwards trend for paying out dividends. They pay out a 54% dividend payout ratio. They pay out 3.73. I think it was 3.72. They pay out $1.16 per share per year. So that's a little over a quarter. Let's see, 29 cents a quarter. Yeah. So every quarter you'd get 29 cents for every share. So they're at $30. So if you purchase quite a bit of them, you could rebuy their stock with their dividend payout. Taking a look at their payout dates, they pay in January, April, July, and October. So I already missed the payout date for July because the ex-dividend date is, where's the ex-dividend date? It was July 5th, which was last week. So unfortunately, I did not look up the stock back then when I was screening my stocks. It didn't appear. So this is one I am going to buy today, and I'm going to make my second video on the purchasing of that one. So right now I'm going to go ahead and say that CSCO is the one I'm going to be purchasing. I screened it, has good growth, has good potential for the future. They are doing a provide connectivity for Commonwealth games, and this is providing dozens of venues of tens of thousands of devices with routers, switches, firewall, wireless access points. So they have some upcoming stuff. They're going to be acquiring observable networks. So they're looking to grow. So they have good growth potential for the future. So that is it. If you guys are looking to purchase a stock of your guys', of your own, what stocks are you guys purchasing? Do you guys agree with my choice on CSCO? And if you enjoyed the video, remember to like, comment, and subscribe for future financial videos. Thanks for tuning in, and of course, I will see you next time. Bye.